Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with chapter 13, Adverbs. Now what is an adverb? You might have already read what is an adverb. Let's just recall it once again. An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. For example, girl runs quickly. This is a very sweet mango. Peter reads quite clearly. So these all are the examples of adverb. The words in the pink color, you can identify it as adverbs. So I hope the definition of adverb is clear to everyone. Right? Moving on to the next page, we'll study about the different types of adverb. There are basically 5 kinds of adverbs that we are going to study. The very first kind is adverb of time. Now the words like already, ago, before, yet, never, yesterday, soon, lately, these are the words that expresses the adverb of time. So basically, what is the meaning of adverb of time? It is actually the time that points out the time of an action and answers the questions when. Okay, which means कि कब का जब हमें आंसर मिलता है वो किसके अंडर में आते हैं? एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम के अंडर में आते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव हर्ड दिस बिफोर. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव नॉट सीन हिम सिंस. And you can go through the many more examples like this. Moving on to the next type of adverb, which is adverb of frequency. Now what is adverb of frequency? Adverb of frequency show us how often or how frequently an action takes place and answer the question how often. मतलब कितनी frequently काम हुआ है. ठीक है, तो ये frequency होती है. Right? Words like always, usually, normally, often, sometimes, occasionally, once, these all word indicates the type of adverb of frequency. For example, it's always cold in this room. Another example, I normally go to the gym. Okay, go through the next 2 examples also. Next is adverb of place. Now, as you can see, adverb of place tells us the place of action and the answer. The question where. Adverb of place में हमें where का आंसर जब भी मिलता है उसे हम किसके अंडर में काउंट करते हैं? Adverb of place. Words like here, everywhere, near, nearby, down, away, backward, upwards. These all are the examples of adverb of place. For example, how it is used in a statement? Is that your scarf there? Next example, I have lived here for about 2 years. So these are the few examples of adverb of place. Moving on to the next page, adverb of manner. Now what is this? Adverb of manner tell us how the action takes place and answer the question how. Words like so, slowly, badly, beautifully, delightfully, loudly, these all expresses the adverb of manner. Example, the soldiers fought bravely. Is that so? These all are the example of adverb of manner. Next is adverb of degree. Now adverb of degree tells us the intensity of an action and modify an adjective, a verb or another word, adverb. Okay. So words like almost, fully, rather, quite, to, enough, perfectly, these are the words which are the examples of adverb of degree. For example, in a statement it can be used like I am fully prepared. Next, I am rather busy. Okay, these are the few examples of adverb of degree. Now there are certain more kinds of adverbs given, that is relative adverb. Relative adverb is an adverb that heads an adjective clause, which means the words relative, you will understand that it relates the clause. Okay, for example, the place where the animals gather to drink is near. So as you can see, the place is noun And adjective clause is where the animal gathered to drink, and it is added by relative adverb, that is where. Okay. So relative adverbs, in case of when, it refers to time. When we use where, it refers to place, and when we use why, it refers to the reason. Okay, these are the relative adverbs. Basically we use these three words only. Another kind of adverb is sentence adverbs. Now, what are these sentence adverbs? A sentence adverb starts the sentence and modifies the whole sentence. It starts in the beginning. For example, hopefully we will win the match. So now here the word hopefully is a sentence adverb. Next example, apparently the sky is getting cloudy. Now here in this sentence, apparently is the sentence adverb. And ultimately the last one is, certainly I did not think of coming here. So the word certainly represents sentence adverb. So with this, we come to an end about the chapter adverb. Now, I will request everyone to just go through this video once or twice to get a more clear view about the chapter. Also, go through page number 72 and 73 with all the definitions of adverb and its kind given in your book. Thank you, children.